Finimize Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Finimize is a financial education platform. It provides market view, market news, investment insight, and also guide to help users make an informed decision, but not manage investment for you. Here are the key features about this platform. It comes with a daily market news, short, easy to understand update on global financial market. It also comes with a key features that allows you that gives you access to investment guide, so educational content on EFTS, stocks, various investment strategy, and also come with a premium insight. So with this premium insight, you can go deeper on analysis and expert option for subscription. It also gets us to our community and events, which discussion and a meetup with other investors. And here is the pros and the cons of this website, which is the favorable part and the downside of this platform. So the favorable part of this is it comes with easy to understand. So it comes with a simplified, complex financial topics with a wide range coverage like stocks, EFTS, crypto, and more. It also comes with an active community which engage with investors worldwide. And here's the downside: not a robo-advisor, so no portfolio management or automated investing. It also comes with a short free trial, only 7 days, then you have to pay for the subscription. When you get access to 7 days free trial, then after that you have to make a subscription. And also some customer support issue, so reports of slow response from the customer support. And here's the conclusion: Finimize is great for learning about investing, but it is not a robo-advisor. So if you need a financial education, it's a solid choice if you want automated investing or look elsewhere.